27 kilogram.
Hi guys!
아, 다시. 아, 왜 이렇게 못해?
알았어. Hi guys! Samson here, and this is my wife Tracy. We're gonna be doing ketogenic food eating. We call it mukbang. Okay, so we're gonna be having Korean barbecue style ketogenic food, and this is our only meal of the day. And we're gonna be throughout the video, we're gonna be quiet and just eating. All right. Okay, so the pot is getting really hot, so we're gonna have to put beef in it. Brief explanation. This is salad, eggs. It's beef, vegetable. That's what we're gonna be eating.
잘 먹겠습니다. It's really hard to not to talk.
But this is real ketogenic food. Almost no carb on any of this food. But so tasty. So I lost 45 pounds by eating this one meal a day. And obviously my wife was a big supporter for last 1 year. And she was also losing weight by doing the same diet. So how much did you lose?
I don't know in pounds.
What was that in kilogram?
I almost lost 27?
27?
kilogram.
So that's like 55 pounds. So yeah, ketogenic diet, intermittent fasting, you combine that, follow the diet. It works and it's not a crash diet. You can do this for a long term. We have been doing this type of lifestyle for 1 year. And it's definitely doable. Yes, there are some days we would eat bad food, we call it. But most of the days we follow this diet and it's very sustainable. We're very satisfied. But she just challenged me if I can eat the egg in one bite. And that's easy. I'm gonna do it.
Oh.
Okay, so this is my last piece of today's meal. Thank you for watching our keto food mukbang.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Want to do it one more time?
No.
No? Okay, bye.
Bye. Bye.